All right. Third question. So, what are the symptoms of whooping cough? Yes, this is important that you would recognize it. Initially, the early symptoms of whooping cough would be like a common cold, like some runny nose or rhinorrhea that's usually clear, a low-grade fever, and a mild cough. But after 1 or 2 weeks, the characteristic coughing cough happens with the inspiratory whoop. So, the infected person would already be coughing like that. With this severe coughing, vomiting can also occur. If this does happen, it is better that you bring your child to the pediatrician to be checked.